Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can modify or you can customize down theme footer in Shopify. So first step you need to do is to open your Shopify and you need to log in into your account. Then you need to click on online store and we're going to customize the footer. So once you are in themes, you can see that down theme is activated that I'm going to show you. Then you need to click on customize and the next page will be open where we made the customization. Here you can see header, template and the footer. Then you need to click on footer, and once you click on that, here you can see you can add section in the footer and you want to make modification by clicking on this footer. So here you can see scheme, so you simply need to click here and you can change the background color like this. If you want to add email sign up, you need to check mark this box, and if you want you can add follow on shop, social media icons, country, region, language, payment method. So it is up to you what you want. You can add spacing margin from here, top padding from here and bottom padding from here. If you want you can modify the social links from here as well. If you want you can add image, headline and description from here as well. And if you know the coding, you can do some coding here as well. So it is optional, and if you know do not know any coding, you can basically play around with these features and make your footer the way you like. So this is the process how you can customize down theme footer in Shopify. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.